In this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect YouTube TV from your phone. So this should be a quick and easy process. Removing your YouTube TV using your phone. So removing a YouTube account from your TV using your phone involves straightforward steps applicable to both Android and iOS devices. Open your phone's browser and visit the Google sign-in page. Enter your email or phone number and proceed by typing next. Enter your password and tap next to sign in. After signing in, access the security tab at the top. Scroll down to your devices, select manage all devices. Locate your smart TV from the list and tap on it. Choose the sign out option displayed below. Confirm by type in sign out, and that was it. So this was an easy and quick process video. And as always, thank you for watching.